Guys, this is Waridi Ule Moja. Today I want to talk about how to cook with you guys. I'm so happy to be with this table. So today I want to cook omena. This is daga from Kisumu. So you have to wash it 3 times so that it will. So this omena I've washed twice. So I have to rinse it again with hot water. So guys, let me rinse so that I will back and start my jiko. So guys, this is red onions, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, turmeric, black baby, red berries. This is salt. This is milk. So I want to dry my omena. You have to deep fry first before you add onions. So you deep fry. Add onions, with garlic and ginger at once until it cooks to red. Add onions, cook onions till it changes color. Then add all of this turmeric, blackberry, red berries. After cooking tomatoes until it's reddish. So guys, it's so yummy. So guys, it's almost. I want to add my milk. So this is my milk, green milk. As you can see, it's so delicious, so yummy, aroma. Mwah. So I can add darnia. This is it. Wow. So if you want some soup, you can add water, but for me, I want dry omena. This is so smart. So this is the looking now. You can serve it ugali, white or brown, but for me it's white. Guys, welcome. So guys, this is my omena. It's ready. So yummy, as you can see. With skuma, some greens, and some avocado. Welcome for my supper. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share, and comment if you like to cook for another one or any other. Thank you.